I'm Nadine Vosloo and welcome to another how-to video with Tjhoko Paint. Today I'll be showing you how to create a distress technique using Vaseline or petroleum jelly on almost any surface. I'm going to use raw pine boards, but this can be done on furniture items. Just do it where you please. This item can be used as an underplate, as a cheese board, but think of those furniture pieces that are waiting for you where you can also apply this technique. First, very important step is to have your Vaseline. Don't throw those old paintbrushes away. Use them for the Vaseline technique. The more used they are, the more worn they are, the better for this technique. So what I do is I dip my used paintbrush in my Vaseline and apply a generous amount of Vaseline onto my paintbrush. Next, I am going to spread this Vaseline onto my surface. Very important. The Vaseline is oil-based. Tjhoko is water-based. So everywhere where the Vaseline is going to be applied, the paint won't be able to grip. And this is exactly the effect we want to create, a worn, distressed feel and finish. Don't overthink it, don't overplan it. You want an authentically worn surface. So I'm going to move on my surface in long streaks and just apply generous amounts of Vaseline here and there, not everywhere. I'm going to use Davet. I'm not dipping my Vaseline brush in my paint jar. I'm using a clean paintbrush. You can also decant the paint in a different container and work from there to prevent contamination. I take a generous amount of paint and I'm painting it over my Vaseline. Once this step is complete, I will allow for the paint to dry and then I will start with the next step. Once my paint has dried, I will use a paint scraper to remove the areas where the paint and the Vaseline interacted. So where there's Vaseline on the surface, the paint couldn't adhere, and I'm removing that. To remove any excess oil caused by the Vaseline, I'm going to use a Scotch pad and just sand over my surface. So this is what our board looks like. You can stop right here or you can add more color. Let's do it. I'm simply going to repeat the step as I've just done. Generous amount of Vaseline, not everywhere. So I do want to keep some of the areas wood. And these areas, it will be important to apply Vaseline, else we are going to cover that with paint. So I'm randomly applying Vaseline over there, randomly over that area which is stunning. I don't want to hide it with a solid coat of paint. Some Vaseline on that area where you can actually see the two-tone effect, the wood and the paint color, and some Vaseline over here and just a longer streak to keep it very authentic. The color I'll be using next is called Savvy Steffi. It is absolutely beautiful. Painted over my Vaseline and the first coat. Now that my paint has dried, I will repeat the first step as earlier on and I will remove my paint with a paint scraper first and then with my Scotch pad. And now I have a beautiful two-tone distressed finished surface. How stunning is this? If you want to achieve different outcomes by using different colors, it's completely up to you. Here we've used stone wash and Davet to accomplish a more subtle distressed finish. And here we've used Olivia's Pale and Misa Stream for more green inspiration. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, turn on your notifications and watch more inspiration.